Now look at this image. Which pair is more likely to get what they want in the short term? And in the long term, most people guess wrong. They confuse being loud with being effective, or being quiet with keeping the peace. Sure, in the short term, pair on the right often gets their way at the expense of relationships. But in the long run, both pairs lose. Most people go through life swinging between these two extremes in how they deal with others. They either fold or they force, but there's a far better third option, the one in blue. And here is why this matters. If you're a quiet high performer, you get overlooked and overused. If you push too hard, you burn bridges and trust. But when you learn to balance, you get heard, respected, and trusted. Let's start with passive. Passive looks quiet on the surface. You hold back your opinions, avoid conflict, and say yes when you want to say no. People may even call you easygoing or a team player, but here's the reality. Your boundaries are invisible, and over time, you pay the price. Your workload grows, your voice shrinks, and respect of others quietly fades. And deep down, resentment builds until one day you snap. Now let's talk about aggressive. Aggressive feels powerful in the moment. You dominate the meetings, you talk over people, you push until you get your way. And yes, in the short term, it often works. Projects move, people comply, but the cost is steep. Colleagues stop trusting you. They share less, they pull back, they plot around you. And when they get the chance, they stop listening altogether. Because aggression wins battle, not wars. Most professionals live in this cycle, folding when they should stand firm, pushing when they should pause, and then wonder why they bleed power. And then there is the third option, assertiveness. It's about standing firm. You say what you think, feel, and need clearly and respectfully. You don't shrink. You don't bulldoze. You claim your space without taking anyone else's. You listen, but you don't vanish. You lead, but you don't dominate. This is where influence lives. It's not about being nice. It's not about being tough. It's about being clear, grounded, and firm. It's the steady middle path that builds trust, respect, and impact. Assertiveness isn't optional, not if you want trust, not if you want to reach your goals. If you're tired of folding or forcing, this is your reset. Stand firm, speak clear, and lead without apology. Book your spot now and start making impact. Assertiveness isn't about changing who you are. It's a skill that can make people hear you, respect you, even follow you.